Hi. In the last video, we got an error, right? If you see, I will fire this query again and you will see the error. Alter table customer, alter column name varchar 120. We got this error, correct? The query is correct, I am telling you. Query is correct, but you are getting an error. The query is correct is a half statement. Query is correct for which database? Query is correct for the Postgres SQL database. So here, alter column, right? The query is correct, but it is for the Postgres SQL DB. So deliberately, just to show you this part, SQL statement may differ from one database to another, right? I have written alter over there just to show you this block, right? So whenever you go over here, this will work, but this alter will work only on the Postgres SQL. So what is the correct query for MySQL then? Right? MySQL says that boss, don't write alter over here. Write modify over here. Right? Hit the enter and can you see it is working. Now describe customer. And can you see now name would be having varchar 120. So if you want to modify, if you want to change the data type, Postgres says that here write alter, but MySQL says that boss, please write modify over here. Don't write alter. This is how your SQL queries will differ from the databases to the databases. I wanted to show you that part, right? And this is how you will overcome the problems. First you will check syntaxes are correct or not. If your everything is correct in the terms of syntax, then that might be the database problem. So you will face this lot of times, right? Because being a full stack engineer, you might need to use different databases. Well, no problem. This happens. I hope you have understood this part and we have resolved the error. First error we have resolved. In the next video, we will see something more related to the queries. Thank you. If you have understood this thing, write it in the comment box. If you have any query, also write it in the comment box. See you in the next video.